Bonshomole wono litukoni lijuma buno botambe egesero ijumenga kene gukwarigania SMS ya mangana majya yaro kumanyigati yari twabereto gukwarigania cross mambia jari ngentambe kacense chigobono chebono margoba seri bonyale ko sansamurane na kumanyibona bali kibaito bari bako sangere ko rucingo cyonse ime na isiko yargongo rwagusin na magagendrete kolekana ibego to chukumulekera so ime nyorobono ni gogribat masengeli ojibono akabira sentunde yemo intenenra asensemeria jabateno banyanyimbo was acting inspector of police Aijin igobono ojibono romokonye asetukulia aikabosyo bugagambiro kolega no guchika yengo bwatikano ko murungane kurwa sibembe na bayigona abakenya na bayigone abarai ane mono sensemo ya serikali kogenda mamincha yekigambiro ali yakwa nagose ayo nincho kumanyia sebiro bitaliye bitambe aingati ya mangana majya gendrete ko kolekana boyigo togendrete ko nyora SMS ya mangana majya ekero kelyumba robwa abana batamanyirwe ikraboni gabatara toka kubwatikana no mureke bembeli bwataka chinsemo chirichaka wangware yibone gotoka ime ye county ya Nairobi litukoni lijuma egesere juma amajya enseyemo yabono margoba nyirabona sayo munenda mangina bokondra gotobwati go tensemeli mtandao semeli ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital abigansa media YouTube na bogo tunyarabuna Ndizi TV News tubasi bagotobwati weterase website unotambe www.ndizitv.net onyare konyora yo monenda mange asenchira ayobo ikrano semu ya Nyamirane county ya Kisii kwe murunga niko gendrete ayo tigachonyara sebiro bitere bitambe nyirabono litokobwatira nergwetera somuno bwimanyereri gakoro kwa Lydia Mose ekero kelisara mumanyi akaboneka buno chibi cyomwe gicha wikire asenchira ayobo ikrano mangana yo asenchira yoko ya chuta.
Make an inquiry, Mr. Speaker, sir, on various lands in Nyamira County, including Jogo, in Kisii Town, including the Agriculture Training College, Mr. Speaker, sir, and even Kisii Bottlers, Mr. Speaker, sir, and including the headquarters of the Kisii County Assembly that are located in Nyamira County.
Okongusana nagati ya county ya Kisii ne county ya Nyamira nigo wachakira naenda sentunde na soko buna chinsemo gatigati yabone chirelia yatinga Kisii Botros na boigo nensemo ya Jogo.
I pray, my Lord, that this court accept my apology, vacates conviction.
Grebati masengeri ojibono romokonyo wanyanyimbo ni gasabiro kwa beraseke gambero magoyo gotekerana go ikachintunde isano nemo.
Nikitoka moshi ilikuwa imejaa kwa nyumba, vitu zimechomekewa, sijui hata mtoto wangu wako wapi.
Amenyibensemo yakawangore gotoka me county ya Nairobi mbere bale kubwatekana no mureke bembeli kwateka sensemo kabone ko barubwa bana batamanyire ni ko babolete. Sayo monenda mange saranso ikabono tumenya senchira yobo ikirano egesere jumensemo yabono margoba ritirana nchinkuru kwa Vincent Onyancham igotoko chake mesi ya mangana mayane muno kurwa se county ya Nyamene goto igorra se margoba yabono nigobono gati amenye kurwa se chirelia igotoka Mosobe nsema ya Mosobetin barokane ko murungania ko bwatekana noko mbigwa kwa magendra sensemeyo kolengana baonchire wana bwatani akurwa sensema ya Mosobetin nigobono bate bire bunani ukunsana kwa rokane ko borro kwa magendro eyenko bwatekana bunenseme ni gera ase orobe ruensemelie bunge ya tutuma sawa nabigone bunge ya West Mugrango kolengana baroni go bate na babunge babere kurwase bunge ya West Mugrango ne bunge ya kituma saba nigo barokane ko mbia sabwa na mona soko nyara gotasegetana samangana rengeta magendro ekro chinsemo chinde chigendrete korosu go boikirano ngamenya oboni go banyare ko boli ababunga babere ko nyara go chamo na ko ne kunensemo ya Mosobe tingo nyara go ikirani go magendro una chinsemo chinde ejenko bwatakana ko basoro wechi bunge ibere na boni go banyare ko boli county ya Nyamira mu governor boigamo na baribande ko ne kibuna ensemete go tigwa maigane mona samangana rengete chiro amuna ko nyara go kinyo bunchiria ase ensemeyo
amutoto abira mange igesa twa murayi tokurwa murai steam work tanya go ground amwe na bare kwiria tumusite anga chikure che steam wirire ba kontenga ba kono kuruma yakanga batanya go twakana baramu twari kurwestiga twantu kuri kwesirende toira nensiri wirianze umurai nacha musabe to steam work akona abangina babonzi pi atotebye bareye kona sentiro wachibe chebetu tuchango mu tuchange michango tunyore chibe storo side par number 2 ndo chomuseneke si aso 3 si tencho no mu swoti murango ndo bwa to muchanga Nyamirango si toto ntuna mu muchanga mutangata chikogora na bara ubese nkabantu bari tuwete Nyamirange Knesa Italia bato muchanga
ndobwati no na bakoranga kisire chitaya nji ego chuka saa 1 saa 12 bantu twachakire kutamatamana oro ntinare gusabanga account etorore andi tenyiro mantu aba musowete nige ntokende abajogi baguchana bagusaba chibese chinyingi sana batojo na manganani bono etogochoga ntorikoro aina aro nare goteba sikuru chire ya
omoisimi gwanyaribo rendo mugabano itu abantu mbataka gukwimbichu rwarira kirinyasaga gokonyo gaso otare boja masobetia obekera abangineta yeye nene elinde baone libinte kyara bagochika saa 1 kwanyora basikire bachire igabara ibaitu banyamira tutarajaga kwimuka
na gotigara boigo imeje county ya Nyamira karumurikita polika pokara ganre to kwalga robotiro tosiko chia sense mende jibone kunete ensemeli ya Nyamira nigobono muswado ikiwase bunge likonyara kumurekera obokorbe county ya Nyamira ale mono chinse mo chiri meje county yon kolengano muswado yuni gobono nyara to kogane chinse mo chiri bono chire ase county ya Kisii chigotebekana chibwente kwa meje county ya Nyamira chibwene chira ne limuryoka kate chinse mo chire county ya Nyamira ganre to kwe murunga ne obuchabere chikumirwa ne county ya Kisii ingamo na nensemelia yatinga kolengana na MCA kurose county ya Nyamira bono niko batebiruna ensemo yatinga ningebwenete koba imeje county ya Nyamira abo igoni gobanyarre kwe murungani ase ensemo yoko igerera anemono asamangana lingetobole minige yere meje county ya Kisii gebwente koba imeje county ya Nyamira kolengana na MCA abo kurose county ya Nyamira niko basingere gotebuna ensemo ya jogo iyobone gutoka imeje county ya Kisii nero nigebwente koba imeje county ya Nyamira abo igobatebere Kisii Botros ibono nigebwente koba imeje county ya Nyamira kolengana ba MC abuno batebere bono mbali gochiko itabera na chinse mo chiri cyabere chikunrwa na kuiro meje county ya Kisii chichigotigararo bono nigo bachakire committee bene yoko nikibuna chinse mo chiri meje county ya Kisii ichibono chiwente ko meje county ya Nyamira ngoira na chire batari gochugwanchira no enensemenke kunyara kotigara imeje county ya Kisii.
Wish to raise on a point of information just to notify the honorable members of the great county of Nyamira that there is a statement and a letter that has been done by the Honorable Peter Gichana Otachi, the MCA for Monyerero Ward, to the Chief Officer, Department of Finance, ICT and Economic Planning over the illegal, the title of the letter, Mr. Speaker, sir, is titled Illegal Encroachment by Nyamira County onto Tinga Market, presently within Kisii County, which, Mr. Speaker, sir, I believe that Tinga Market lies in the ward of the Honorable Charles Kiganda. Mr. Speaker, sir, in the point of information to the members, so wish to request that our Department of Lands, the County Attorney's Office, and His Excellency the Governor Amos Nyaribo, that they move with speed to also make an inquiry, Mr. Speaker, sir, on various lands in Nyamira County, including Jogo in Kisii Town, including the Agriculture Training College, Mr. Speaker, sir, and even Kisii Bottlers, Mr. Speaker, sir, and including the headquarters of the Kisii County Assembly that are located in Nyamira County, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I wish that you guide that the same that the county government of Nyamira takes, led by His Excellency the Governor, the County Attorney and the Department of Lands, that they act very fast to ensure that not an inch of Nyamira County is taken by any neighboring county. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Thank you. And
na chinga kichipo igoni ge county ya Nyamira ya tebire unane chiko ne kuna chinse mo chiri meje county ya Kisii bwenta ko meje county ya Nyamira ngonya chiri kuira na gochi ya asense mejo koleng na borobuni ge committee ya bereke go choro yibonera chikumulekere nganejo ge korago no memsebe godi yeli goma nyambe ga gisesa e committee ne chikumulekera chinse mo chiri ne serikali ya county ya Kisii asabate biruna mpachinji kuira ni gwo senchi kuira ni wali mulyoka gochi ya se county ya Nyamira na boni ko batebire county ya Kisii ni ge gendrete ko sangireba ngo kura chinse mo chiri ngete kaunti ya Nyamira egonto bate birunanda Kenya rekwera gati ya magendero magemeje kaunti ya Nyamira kubwata karune serikali ya kaunti kunya gati chinsemo chiria chikorusie bangenene agoso imeje kaunti ya Kisii egonto kere banyare ku Rwanda chinsemo chibakira ni meje kaunti ya Nyamira unenchira moyo kunya gusangire bango na gukina boige kaunti ya Nyamira.
We counter the aggression that is coming from Kisii County, and who knows, probably they even want to come and claim the whole county, including our government, and which we are not ready to. We are not ready to, because for a very long time they have been suggesting that we amalgamate Nyamira County with the Kisii County, but that's not the approach, and we are not ready. We are not ceding an inch of our territory to any neighbor, any quarter, and as an assembly and as elected leaders, we are going to stand for our people, and not even an inch can be exercised from the rightful territory of Nyamira County. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you very much. And our brothers from Kisii are very smart. They are targeting revenue collection centers. You know, a cow there on revenue and poultry, or those birds, goats, and every animal that goes there. On the 2 days of the week, they take. They are giving us some good own source revenue. So Kisii is targeting that. It was targeting Keroka, and you can see the brutality from our
gotigana no kumusana kubono ane mono asamanga na lengetende mbere nabwo ne chinse mo chiri chikolete banga chi county chonse bire county Nyamira ne county ya Kisii bono nigo obwamatandake bwarokane ane mono kubwatekana na magendero ayagende to ikerani wa chinse mo chonse ane mono county Nyamira ne county ya Kisii kolengana ne kembe gya poll track ikubono kya koroboto kikubwatekana no bakuri wa governor nigo gyate bire bune county so mo governor we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati na we governor we county Nyamira mosinyaribo ngati ya governor wale bagane to ikerani manga na mona sobo bwabo kolengana ekyombe gya poll track niko batebire buna chikura cyari gwakwa ane mono asentunde ye gani go bare gati ya governor barera ni wasentunde ya kabera sabo korre bwabo buna governor be chi county gati chi county chenenga mone county ya Migori county ya Siaya mone chi county chinde echibona governor ba rokane go kolibija ane mono bakagere barera ni asentunde ya kabere asobo korre bwabo ekyombe gya poll track no gyatebire butukibone watebe gukora kubwatakana no kubwatanye ogo sangirira ebirengere kurwa saba Kenya igoro ya magendera bono bukari bwa governor kurwa sechi county
A notable outcome of the whole study is that there has been a great improvement in the incorporation of the views of the public, that public participation really improved. I don't know if we would attribute this to the uproar by the Gen Z that has made everybody in the public sector now want to incorporate the public in decision making. So there was quite a marked improvement in that metric that is public participation. Other metrics of revenue correction were fairly okay. And the proportion of own source revenue, and this is demonstrated by the secondary data that we got from the Office of the Control of Budget, that there has been marginal improvement in terms of the proportion of own source revenue that the counties are doing.
ya gotigana yubono to murekreme je county ya Kisii nke mukuru chinse mo cha milimani yubono gotoka se ward ya Kisii Central ase county ya Kisii niko bandena kere ekiyogwe gokeria yengo batekana no bokonye yubono bwabere bokuru gwa senke yo asokonyara kwa gachiro nyumba ase bono babere batabwate nyumba ko bwatekana nyumba bwatenka bamenyete ororo abayiboli na wigo amo na abana babanene obono andake bayikirenga kiyabo yokogenda ose yokonyara gotwara chinka chiyabo niko chinga kiye kembeke mukuru sensori ya America kamenyekana tebuna ware kwinza banyara kurobo konyi bwabo gocha senkejo omurikito mirdedi momanyi nekera na sensemejo na gotwariga ndi roboti rokobwatia
Orombwa mwenyene amate echanabo saigo
tabastini ndo moyo yumubwate nasage ndikuba mente
Aigan na sensemo ya milimani imewadia Kisii Central ase ya mateye mobono erenekyo ekwego keliama ega yokonyora obokonyi bokwagachirwa enyumba amone kyombege talikege serikali ekyukemanyeka inebuna Warrior Queens Rise kurwa ense ya America ekyo enkeyo yabereke guchandika ase omongina amenyete n'abamurabaye batatu abo bayisanire gutwara chinga cyabo ase enyumba eyemo
mbwati kende na kende amorche munamenyete muna bana kachirite nyumba igana bandite abana mbwate batatu kumura nyumba mbabwati iwamenyete obokon kia bana mwacha mwarori munamenyete inumuraru muna nyasaba bwatisi ebimogendete gukora nyasaba bwatisi nandi mogendere gonkona
abanyakyumba boni go batebire babeire bakurwa obokonyi aiga Kenya na indemba chikogendera nobokonyi buno obwo.
We are donating to this family who really needs the support, because everyone behind us are not only the speakers and the experts that are offering up leadership and teaching, and all the schools we're speaking to, all of these people behind us have servants' hearts. So today what we are donating total to this family for the materials and the work that we will be doing is 60,000 Kenyan shillings. It doesn't end there. Yesterday in our time here, we have gone to Kibera County. We've been one of the few groups to ever step foot in doing the slum tour. We have also, this group has phenomenally also donated to the organization on site that feeds the orphans.
Omorandian naftalondiba oyobeire asomostali obosio asogokonya enkeyega niga bolire bali bonsi bale angene chingabune chiga korwa obokonyi nonyene Biblia nabo egoteba
ntobwenete kogenda out of our way togende torenga abande bale nobokongo bunobo eyenere miremo yesa ari gukora nere akarari wikabale nenjarari ko bateiba endagera karari wikabale nemechanda barwarite gari ko bagweni kango tokore miremo yaito ase tokonyana bonare kwireneria basubati aba bakorokwa Warrior Queens ase mirimo bagokora
ase chinga kiecho nigo baenekia guchiago konya abana abanyaruka buna enchere ya moyo kubasira ase chiskuru nebitamba byobochenu ebyo birachikoira egeka kemyaka 10 elikogota na nigo bigusibeka ase barachie goikera aboroki wachiribu 13 buna omanyakero bobo Ambassador Dominic Obadia akwerera.
We are so committed towards helping on sustainable development options, and one of them is literacy. We are doing mentorship in schools, and we'll be touching on this trip 13,000 students in just 1 week.
So Ruby Cups is a medical grade silicone cup, and when properly trained, the girl and the cup get trained together, if you will, and it can last the girl up to 10 years if she takes care of it properly. And because of the medical grade silicone that they use, they don't have to worry about the chemicals that are in the pads. So this is just a small piece of a really large problem. We understand that, but we will stop at nothing to help the Kenyan girls with this.
She can have peace of mind, her mental health is supported, and the requirement for her to obtain the cup is to go through a feminine hygiene and feminine anatomy training on how to sustain the cup. But Warrior Queens Rise is really about sustainability.
Kuripoteria igetaseni Kendizi TV, Elitaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Biyamuno muliki tomirudi mumanya soroboti rwa senchire yoboyekero mwanchu muliki bona sebiro bitero tambe nicho kwirania soroboti bono rwarengete amuyego wa matanga obwoko mwenya Simon Ogado ibona kolekana siri tukulia lero nyoro bono asomo goyiboigo ni gobono abana siasa aho bayikirana gati yabo no muraiwe kyanke Pastor Kalonzo naboigo amara nabarayibanda roboti ndacho koletera asebiro bitariye bitambe kolende asebono ni gobono gati yabaraya nemono bali barase serikali banyarre ko mu kiwaso ko nyaragota sikege gambero kolengana no murwandi bobo no manya banto Bishop Mumanyi nigo narokane ko mu kige kolekia abarayi naboigo nabo kremero mu beserikali asogota sikege gambero naboigo no gochego kurugwa sensemo yege gambero asensemo ya ni ganyarre ko boria koneke buna amurayi wense naboigo amana bakremero mu beserikali nkobwati bali na sika ebigambiro naboigo bono chinseme chiko busibole asoko nyaragwetenera no gochika kwabo gosikwa
amadieta yogorukwa Reverend Bishop Mumanyi. Any conduct of a state officer they basa kutwara ngotoko na personal conflict of interest they was a compromised. And if in case they got a personal conflict of interest, that is as per Article 75, Dichi Kori got a Omonto yo, Igako Genda, under disciplinary action, I've interdicted, Karabe interdicted, I take it away, Kakotoka Namagos, I've dismissed, I've removed. One a court in a water authority, a court in a water Mamlakayake. That is Article 59. The court works within its authority. And I want to tell you, Raping authority a court. As the court is very independent. I can walk even to be here. Want to tell you, direct. Want to tell you, temporary. A year go to Quandra Kenya bonds, construing the constitution. A court, ever promoted, it will values Jaya. And ever protected. I think a constitution in 2010, experts took a lot of time kwa Russia. Mind sichira ikaransa chikarosia constitution. Again take koti ya kolire. Eta geteko to iran back to the constitution, chapter 4 of the constitution, Bill of Rights. Bill of Rights. Article 19 of the Constitution. A Constitution ever applied. Article 20. A Constitution ever implemented. Article 22. A Constitution ever enforced.
Na gotigana yono mwancho muligireria somo jega boko moyeni ya Simon Ogari ibona okora kana seri tukolia lero igobana bana siasa na bwatani abange bekera na somo jego yuri ya seri tukolia lero gati wali bekera nanga mono marabeke ya makia wa Steven Kalonzo Musyoka Eugene wa mahalo na boigono mu governor wa county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati amo na baraibande asomo jego boigoni kama na siasa rokana gotatikira magega chinga kecho boigoni ga serikali ya Nyaragote ya buna njero seni gona nsemo ya Azimio wa Nyaragote ya buna mbatire ne boko na bogombaga ndakomolekera obokorre wa serikali chika keche Kalonzo Musyoka ni ganyara ko egetambokero ensemo ya Azimio soko nyarako mochora umu governor wa county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati buna omokonyi bo muraiwe kyamekyo chinga keche ni gabate una mbagenda kubwatira na sobe mino na boni go bamochia serikali ya sekena gyokani ya koni getika ligechine gya Jomo Kenyatta International Airport JKA omurikito mirudi mumanyi na mange
Buna botambe siasa tia nyakomocha ase omoyegonde bwensi buna abana siasa bale.
Nazunguka mliniona nilikuwa na wao kule China. Niomba deni ya milioni 40.
Nasa matanga yoko mwenya uyo kabeire omubunge omumachoge omoske Simon Ogari enga kisiasa ya bwata inseba koragwa no mugavana we county ya Kisii Simba Arati nigo abaraya bange bakirana asomotenliwe kyama kya Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka amono yo kabeire omwaziri Eugene Wamalwa nigo bairali bagali benen na kumuganalia Douglas Kanja amaya asabisiaye enya aseba mochia Robert Masengeli asokogenda mamicha nikigambiro.
The new Inspector General, Bwana Kanja, we wish you well, but we must also now listen to what the country is saying. Leo asubuhi yule alikuwa acting Inspector General wa polisi alikamatwa ko ameenda kusema pole. Idara nzima ya mahakama wakasema uwezi kuwa kiongozi wa aina hiyo. Want to leave Kenyans wawe nchi ambayo inatawaliwa na sheria, nchi ambayo ina wezi, kila mtu ajibike kutoka rais mpaka sub chief.
Leo hii nataka niwahakikishie mtu yoyote alihusika katika mauaji ya vijana wetu lazima watawajibika.
Omo seneta bwe county ya Kisii Richard Onyonka nigo aba omugano bweli tukolia lero engaki anyara ko bakakoleta abakenya asoburabu igoro yoboni abigetige chindege ya JKIA asebo igo bamuganali omugavana Simba Arati mbuya sokoba omunyakerugo bwe kyama kya ODM.
Na ndio namsifu ndugu yangu Richard Onyonka seneta wenu kwa kusimama wazi na kusema uwanja hauwezi kuuzwa bila mazungumzo. Na Senator Onyonka, you become a statesman. In fact, you have raised yourself above KC. Huyu jamaa mtatuachia tuende naye Kenya nzima tubadilishe serikali ambayo inakuja so that Kenyans will live peaceably.
Mheshimiwa Senator wangu, Mheshimiwa Onyonka, nataka nishukuru kwa sababu umeleta hii mambo ya airport. Na hiyo ilikuwa kitu nzuri sana. Sisi kama chama tutasimama pamoja na kama Azimio.
Leo tukirudi Kisii umepata promotion kuwa a full deputy party leader wa ODM. Pongezi sana.
ODM umeaffirm kama deputy leader kwamba wewe bado mko Azimio.
Nigo bararekana komochia obomo bwa Kenya Kwanza ase gotatwara obwegenu abarwo ase okorokana chingiti ase baganirie abakenya gwikiraniwa amaganio abo ase nonya no mugavana alia eira yogo cha kwenekia ngabona osiriri oboibi ase county ya Kisii.
Wiki hii sana kusikia viongozi wetu wa Kenya Kwanza wakianza kuitana nyoka. Sema badala ninyi kupigana ninyi wenyewe kwa wenyewe, kusema wewe ni nyoka na wewe ni nyoka zaidi, mpigane na hii nyoka ambayo imefinya wa Kenya sana juu ya ushuru wa Kenya.
Odumesi kwa oranjero kwa iba mose kiretayo. Muwanja tene. Aeti na abande na ndo na sasa na barobis abande na abai ngwe tandi na barobis kwa kwa.
Aze chinga kiecho nigo mugavana agania abasai wesokia na konyora amaigelio ase chiskuru chobubundi engaki e county ya Kisii ya nyora obokonyi gwetera ase ebengi eyemo imeye county eyeiga.
Kila constituency kupitia benki ya Stanbic kuna vijana wetu wengi ambao walipata D, C- na kuelekea juu. Wamekubali kutupea vocational training college 13. Walitupea kompyuta 10 bila VCT. Kuanzia Jumatatu watoto wote ambao walipata B+ na kuelekea juu, tafadhali, kwa sababu tumelipa pesa, waende wajiandikishe vijana wetu, tuone kama tutaweza pata kazi hapa mbele.
Ngoripotelea Egetaseni kia Ndizi TV Italiane Mildred Momanye.
Biyamono muri kito Mildred Momanye sorobotura senchera yobo ikirano kotigana yo no mwancho muri tanda kumurika igoro ya Gilbert Masengeli oyubona berga ko umuchugwa mono nabara yasinga kentambe ne chintunde sana moto ikirana busibwe kigambero maga yogo chiwekera na sensemeyo asiri tukolera Masengeli nyiga ikirana bono ase kigambero ane mono nakonyara gosabo kwabera ondo gutekerana sensemeyo chintunde sano naimo nona boni ko Masengeli atayabona ni garenga semere moya serikali ngereta tayikiraneta sekigambero kolengana nseme ni gate biruna na bwatirichi kono bwa nasigete kigambero kolendo gutekerana kwa ibusibwe kigambera chintunde chisano naimo nakonyara gutuma abayigereri bahaje ni garenge asemero bili naboigo namnganarengete ya serikali kolengana nera na kyate biruna geta kyagrete atayikiranete busibwe kigambero nona boni gabuli kigambero gutugutira regesibo kyara segesibo kyayare ekibono konyora berga ko bwato kirona ko sibwa aseme tinye 5 nomo egentanyara kubuli kigambero kenyare gotuguterare.
As a police officer, it is my duty to enforce court orders and ensure that court orders are obeyed. I pray, my Lord, that this court accepts my apology, vacates conviction and sentence. So I pray, my Lord.
Nabugo kolengana nensemo yekigambiro niko bateru nekerenga kyabo terikyalenge kumubekere gesibo omo goso umuteneri orenge ntenera sensemeri ya batera wanyanyima inspector of police oyibona romo konyi gosai jini gobono ekigambiro gyatebire kerenga kyani go kyalengeri chikonyara kubwatigwa no nkorwa sabara ibonsi no nabo kolengana nsemo yekigambiro niko yetabira na ogosaba kwaya mabera kwaya masengeli obono asibanyara kubeka nsemo amumocha yibona aberga kumubwatirania anemo no konyara ni gobona nyare gukumiru gesibo kimiti nomo ibono yanyara gotuguterwale.
As the intention of the court was not to punish Mr. Masengeli for the sake of it, but to ensure that the sentence the sentence restores the dignity and the authority of this court. And the court intended to punish Mr. Masengeli right away, it would have not included the purge order as part of the sentence. The Indian Supreme Court, emphasizing on the need to have a sentence that meets the object or the aim of the court, held as follows. Purging process will not be treated as completed merely by contemner and undergoing a penalty imposed on him unless he has obeyed the order of the court or he has undone the wrong. Next step is to seek pardon from the court concerned on the ground that he really had genuinely repented and that he has resolved not to commit any such act in the future. The apology tendered should impress the court to be genuine and sincere. If the court is being impressed in its genuineness, accepts the apology, then it could be said that
na gotigara samangana rengeteri chikono baigono bokore kura sensemo ya serikali ni gobono gati yekiombe kere kyobo sairi kyanyarira gote yabuna ni gobona abakora imirimo be serikali ya samatuka manga bali bekere ngo keigoro warroka ni gotabwatiri chiko aiga sense ya Kenya na boigo kunyara gusinyoko imukire getambokero eyo ngobwatekana no kubara ko bosaiti boisaine a sensemo yo na boni go chinga kibate biruna nege ntoke genrete kole mali nsemo yo bokore bebe gambero na boigo nsemelia yo bo sairi ni go chinga kibanyarira kuboria nsemo ya serikali kuna ngobati baralichiko buna chinse mochinde na boy gobuna abakenya bande buna nchiremo yoko nyara kurubu wasi ole no busibole asensemo yebigambiro.
A public or state officer who willfully and flagrantly disobeys court orders falls short of the constitutional provisions of chapter 6 and the principles and values of public service and therefore renders himself ineligible to hold a public office. The courts should be moved or move upon their own motion to make such bold declarations.
Our guidelines provide that we must review cases from the word go. Who says that once a case is in court it must go to its conclusion? No other recourse. Who says that? Where? Is there a decision that you are aware of that says once a case is in court, no matter what, it must go to its logical conclusion? There's no such requirement. And that is why we have these instances.
Na gotigana yono mobunge James Gakuya ni gobona rakane ko mucho Revense William Samoei Ruto anemono sensemo yogoswana na mangana siasa na bogone semengima ya Mount Kenya kolengano mobungo yoni ganya rekobole Ruto gotigana na mangana siasa cha 2027 ndi bagere ko nyara ko murekera mangana regeta magendro kolengana nsema yabo ni kwa mucho Revense William Samoei Ruto asoko rokana gotisane kana mokonye irigadiga shagwa soko nyara ko kolemeremo chinkwana chebabera habani ko bono chigo cha ko bwatakana no gotaigwana na sensemeri ya yobo korri bwabo egontokero mubungo ikonyara wesoka na konyara gote abuna ni gacha gobento ko wali bagaria bene kolengana era ni ganyara ko mochi ya Ruto sogote abuna maiga yoko mochoroga sha Washington ntanganya soko nyara koligi chukura cha Mount Kenya na wenta ko mwesiko ike myake lwa bagate yoko igwana erebosio yarire ribanyara ko murekera mangana na rengete siasa kolenda sono igo bamuga Ruto ko murekera mangana ya magendro
kuwa ametosheka na Legathi wakati alimpatia nafasi ya running mate. Saa hii ndio amefikiria kutubadilishia katikati ya barabara, asahau hiyo barabara. Na tunamwambia mchana, kama umetoka na kura ya mlima kwa sababu umeoa bibi mpya, bijipange na bibi mpya, wachana na sisi. Na kura tunaenda, tunajua kura tunaenda. Wewe unatuambia tuachane na siasa ya 2027. Tutawachaje? Wewe kama kwanza na siasa ya 27 tutakuwa na sisi.
lakini huwezi kuturusisha, na wewe bado uko kwa siasa ya 2027 na unatuambia tuachane nayo. Kwa hivyo tunataka kumwambia Mdozi ambaye ni rais wa jamhuri, wewe umetukera sana na tumekuona mahali unatuelekeza na unatupeleka kwa simu kama jamii ya Mlima, na hatutakataa, hatutakubali kwenda hiyo barabara. Wewe unataka kuwanya Mlima, umebeba grupu ya wabunge, umewajaza kwako State House kila siku na kuwapatia mandora, lakini ukumbuke kura siko ground, kura hasiko na hao.
Na gotikana mangana rengete siasa ni gati ya menyukuru wa Sensemelia ya Kawangware gotoka mano imeje county Nairobi barokane ko muchumu governor be county Nairobi Johnson Sakaja ko bwatikana no gota be kireni chire chiaba na manasa mangana rengete emero bwatika Sensemejo asobo tukubo kiara ni gobono chinka goita ni meronge 5 ichibono chibogretia abantu chimi bera mana meronge 5 batigara segesunte na bogokora sobo kendo maga jo moro bwatika Sensemelia Kawangware igati bakana bunani go moro yonyara go segeto aso bwatika kwe gase oyibona rechi chomba nyinge konya Rakoja Senseme go 20 chumba che emeronge 5 iko che butuko kia lero nona gwikira boni gati ya walibanyara gukuna numero yo bagote yabuna gati ya bana babo oyuru mu barota manyire mbamanyiri ya sebale maika yo muru wateka na konyara go sambe binte binge Asenseme ya Kawangware Nairobi County.
Nilikuwa nimekaa kwa nyumba nikasikia nduru huko, moto imeanza side ya nyuma, so nikitoka moshi ilikuwa imejaa kwa nyumba, vitu zimechomekewa, sijui hata mtoto wangu wako wapi.
Tuli request firefighters tuwekewa hapa kwa DC, hapa ni karibu, gari inaweza fika haraka, lakini response yao iko chini. Tuanze kwanza kwa Sakaja wetu, enyewe tu Sakaja ametufail. Hakuna vile unexpect
Monchumuli kirebono hegesero Juma hamajense ya moikira bono ko yakoro musumale mangana majase century yobo ikirano kono chikoro gaisa to chobono botuko ningara na semesega ama yomo nanda manga century yobo ikirano ngendro kumanjibuna balike baito baganda to ya sangaria kono chigongo chonsi ime na isiko jorogongo rogusin kendra go to bwatu buna botambe go tena semeli mtandao en semeli ya Facebook Ndizi TV News the digital na bagen semeli ya YouTube na bogo chono Ndizi TV News to basoko bago to bwatu ya se website una botambe www.ndiztv.net nyale konyora yo monenda mangolu to bwatira nergo tira sumono wimanyirika koro kwa Lydia Mose ekerokeria Sara Mumanyi ane kubona chibi chamuli cyo gikere asenchira yobo ekerotoro bolgero bya tumena nisa tonaenda sebiro bunebiga ime ija egeseri Juma ritana nchenkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha.